Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to clear the cache on HostGator in just a few minutes. Clearing your cache makes sure your visitors see the most recent updates on your site and keeps everything running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and type in HostGator.com. On the homepage, click the sign in link at the top right and enter your login details. Once logged in, you'll land on your HostGator dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Hosting tab in the main navigation menu. Then, head over to the My Site section. Here you'll see a list of all your websites hosted with HostGator. Find the site you want to clear cache for and click the Manage button next to it. Inside the Site Management page, look for the Settings tab near the top. Click on it to reveal more configuration options. Next, locate the speed option. This is usually listed under Performance Settings. Click it to open up the Performance interface. Here you'll see an option to clear cache. Click the Clear Cache button and HostGator will remove all cache data for your website. It may take a moment, so give it a little time if changes don't appear instantly. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your HostGator cache. This simple step ensures your visitors always see the latest version of your site and enjoy faster loading times. Thanks for watching, and check out our other tutorials for more web hosting tips.